You can literally make $400 a day with this method, and you can make some constant money. And like I said, guys, you want to find those customers or those. In today's video, we're going over how to make money off of ChatGPT. I know a lot of you guys are saying how to make money off of ChatGPT, and I'm here to tell you that some of those methods are absolutely real and some of those methods are absolutely fake and won't make you no money at all. But the method that I'm going to be showing you here today, you can actually make some good money, anywhere from $100 to $500 a day with just doing a couple hours of work. Now always remember, guys, nothing good comes easy, and if you want to make a lot of money, you're going to have to put in some work. But the method that I'm showing you here today requires just a little bit of work, and you can make some decent full-time income off of using ChatGPT. If you haven't done so already, man, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to join the family. We post every day here on Black Investors Group where we make investing easy. Subscribe to the Patreon and the link in the description to get step-by-step tutorials, ebooks, how to make money online passively, how to boost your credit fast, and so many more ways to make money and even save money over there on the Patreon and the link in the description. And if you still have further questions, feel free to reach out to me in the Calendly link in the description, where you can schedule a 10 to either 30-minute phone call with me for only $10 for me to answer any of your questions that you have. And I even do mentorships to start your business in full. But with all that being said, guys, let's go ahead and hop over how to make some money off of ChatGPT. And trust me, guys, if you stay tuned to the end, you will for sure learn how to make $100 to even $500 a day with doing minimum work. So if you don't already know what ChatGPT is a AI robot that'll pretty much answer your questions to its best ability. AI is artificial intelligence. It pretty much pulls in all the best answers from all over the world, all over the internet, to give you the best answers, and it will generate anything that you want it to. So for this method, we're going to tell it to generate us a 2,000 word script. Now I know you're probably wondering, how is 2,000 words gonna get us paid? Well, in fact, there are a lot of companies and a lot of people paying people to get 2,000 word scripts, you know, a essay on how to do things, on how to lose weight, you know, even just motivation. And there are freelancers on Fiverr and on Upwork looking for people to write their scripts for them so that they could just sell it to other customers. You can put your work on Fiverr and Upwork to make even more money and scale this business up to another level. Or you could just sell your scripts to people that's gonna make money off of it as well. But let's just go ahead and do both so that we can pull in the most money as possible. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you want to go to open.ai, or you want to go to ChatGPT. Open.ai is pretty much the maker of ChatGPT, and it's pretty much a better version, but they're hand in hand, essentially the same. Once you're on ChatGPT, once you make your account, guys, what you want to do is in the search engine, you want to tell it to write you a 200 or 2,000, whatever amount of words that you need for your job, a 2,000 word script. In this instance, we are going over the weight loss niche, and I'm gonna tell you why. So a lot of people are trying to lose weight, and a lot of people don't have the mental capacity to get out there and do so. So what they want to do instead is buy books and read stuff and get a lot of motivation and a lot of fake products that don't even work, so that they could try to slowly get this process started. So this is good for you. Now you can start selling scripts so that people will get motivated to lose some weight, or you can just go to Upwork or Fiverr.com and find a freelancer that needs your services. You have to have a mailing list, email a lot of freelancers, guys, your services. And even on Indeed and some job sites, if you just type in script writers, there will be a lot of job opportunities popping up that will pay you anywhere from $5 to $15 for just one single script. After you have your script written on ChatGPT, what you want to do is you want to take that to Lovo. What Lovo is it's an AI generator that will automatically put a voice to your speech or to your text. This AI robot voice is very realistic, and they have plenty of options for you to choose from. So once you have your your AI voice on your text from your script, guys, what you want to do is you want to take that logo and you want to take it to InVideo. InVideo will make you a YouTube ad or make you a short YouTube video in any form you want for absolutely free, guys. You can start a free trial with InVideo and you can see how easy it is for you to have a short YouTube video easily made in just minutes. Once you have this video made, what you want to do is you want to start posting these videos on YouTube to show and prove that you have proof that you are actually doing this script writing and that you have professional script writing services. To put this method on blast, what you want to do is you just want to type in script writers on Google. You want to find these gigs that are paying, you know, $10 to either $20 per script, and you simply just want to reach out to all of those script writers and offer your services. Give them a free taste of what you can do. And guys, it's nothing better than a nice, good tasting free sample. If the freelancer likes your work or if the customer likes your work, they're gonna buy your services. And now you can easily make $15 per script. You could write 5 scripts per hour. And if you just work 8 hours a day, guys, if you could actually source out and get customers and get consistent work with people that need you to write 4 scripts a day with just one person, imagine if you could get 5 people that need you to write 4 scripts per day. That's 20 scripts. 20 scripts times $20 is $400. Each of these scripts will take you probably 5 to 10 minutes to actually complete. So that means you could get this done in just 4 hours, guys. You could work for 4 hours a day and make $400. Now, I'm not saying that this method is easy. This method absolutely takes work and you absolutely have to reach out and get these customers to come to you. But it's not hard because a lot of people are looking for script writers, and with ChatGPT, they make it easy to write these scripts and to put this method on blast. There are also many other AI services out here to make your life so much easier and make your job so much more convenient. If you want to know more life hacks and more AI bots to use that'll make your office job or just your personal life so much more easier, you can I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to make money with ChatGPT by writing scripts. You can literally make $400 a day with this method and you can make some constant money. And like I said, guys, you want to find those customers or those freelancers that are offering you to build 4 scripts per day. As long as you get 4 customers, that is gonna give you that consistent work, and it's not hard to find because you gotta think these freelancers are making 10 scripts per day. So as long as they have 2 script writers, they're good. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to make some money online with ChatGPT. If you did, man, please drop a comment. Please hit that like button so that this video can get pushed out to many others, so that many others can make money the easy way. This is Black Investors Group, where we make investing easy and we post videos daily, so please be sure to hit that bell. Stay tuned for more investing tips. I'm KINGLATTA. We out. Woo!
You talking money, want all of it, please. I pulled before, got me stuck in a dream. I want my family over.
If you haven't done so already, man, please go on the link in the description and subscribe to the Patreon. Over on the Patreon, we have how to make money the easy way, how to boost your credit fast, and how to make money online in multiple different niches. Also, we have a full step-by-step startup on how to start your own trucking business. If you guys still have more questions, you can always feel free to reach out to me in the Calendly link in the description. We do offer coaching calls for $10. You can either schedule a 10-minute conversation or a 30-minute conversation one-on-one with me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, man. Join the movement. This channel is on the way to 100K. You don't want to miss out on how to make this money the easy way. Now let's go up together, make it to the top, and let's get this money.